Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can reset your WordPress site. Now let's say you have built your site with WordPress and for some reason you want to go back to your default WordPress site. You can do that by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to reset your website back to how it was before and then start from scratch. Okay, so I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's reset our WordPress site. First, let's see how our site looks right now. Here it is. Now this is the site which we are going to reset. To reset the site, we are going to do two steps. The first step is to install the reset plugin. So to install the plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to Plugins and click Add New. Now here, search for a plugin called WP Reset. And you will get this plugin. Now this is the plugin which will help us to reset our site. So to install the plugin, let's click Install and then click Activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin. And now if we go to Tools, you can see that a new item called WP Reset has been added here. Once you've installed the plugin, next let's go to step 2, which is to reset our WordPress site using the plugin. Now once you reset your site, you will lose all the data on your site. So it is important to take a backup of your site before you proceed. If you want to learn how to backup your site, you can watch this video. Now to reset our site using this plugin, let's go to Tools and click WP Reset. And it will take you to this page. Now before you reset your site, if you want to quickly revert back to your current site, then you can also take a snapshot of this site with this plugin. So to take a snapshot of your current site, just go to the Snapshots tab and click Create Snapshot. Now enter a name for the snapshot and then click Create Snapshot. And as you can see, our snapshot has been created. Now remember that this snapshot is not a replacement for a backup. It is important to have a separate backup to keep your data safe before you reset the site. So once you have created the snapshot, we can now reset our site. So to reset our site, let's go back to Reset tab and then scroll down to Site Reset. Now here, type Reset and click Reset Site. And now, if we click Reset WordPress, you can see that our WordPress site is now resetting itself. And it's done. Now, as soon as you reach this page, your WordPress site will be reset back to its default state. So now, if we go back to our website and click Refresh, you can see that our WordPress site is back to its default state. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website. And now you can start building your site from scratch. So now you know how to reset your WordPress website. Now, how do we restore the snapshot which we took before? So to restore the snapshot, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and then go to Tools and click WP Reset. Now go to Snapshots. Here you can see the snapshot which we created before. Now to restore the snapshot, click Actions and click Restore Snapshot. And now, if we click Restore Snapshot, you can see that our snapshot has been restored. So now, if you go back to your site, you can see that this is how our site was before. Now if we click refresh, you can see that our website has been restored from the snapshot. So this is how you can restore a snapshot of your site. That's it, guys. So this is how you can reset your WordPress website. If you want to learn more about WordPress, click here to get our free ebook, The 7 Must-Do Things After Launching Your WordPress Website. And also make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.